Good morning. We are doing 2 tours today.
2. We're splitting up. We're gonna see which one's better. I'm going on a croissant making class.
And I am touring a bakery with my lovely daughter, Edith.
All right, good luck.
Good luck, you have fun. Yeah, we'll see what's better. We'll compare notes. All right, hi, I'm Jordan.
And I'm Erica.
And we're your guides abroad.
All right, so this is the thing that I was most excited for, my son was most excited for. We have a 2.5 hour croissant making class. I think we get to make pain au chocolat too. So that's gonna be amazing. And I really hope it's good. It had great reviews. Let's go check it out. Sniff. Yeah. His eyes like. It's like a pillow.
No, it is. That's nice.
Now we're gonna do a baguette, okay?
Okay.
It's pretty simple. I'm gonna show you and you're gonna do it right after me. You just take the dough, and for now you just have to roll it.
There you go. Pinch it on there. Oh, perfect. You pop the bubble. That's the yeast. Yeah. Should we make ours traditional? We'll do a braid.
Then you're gonna take this and you're gonna cut your dough in 3 equal pieces. You cut your dough in 3 equal pieces, but you don't cut the top, okay? You let the top all stuck together, and then you just try to do the braid, okay?
Beautiful. Well done. This is what Edie made. Let's see if Mommy's making anything for us at her baking tour.
So they teach us you have your thumb open and your index finger, the flour is in your palm, and then you close up your 3 fingers like so, and you just do it. Oops.
Oh, hey, got it.
Well, and then you just make a little trace like so. You're not cutting with the back of their knife. You're just using to mark where you are going to cut. And then when you cut, you always start to the tip and then you just rock it down. Okay, so that is what I'm going to do now. And you just trace along. And then you just roll it up. Nice work, done. Good job! Neatly done.
Ooh, if you want to learn more about this tour, make sure you click down in the description below. And if you are coming to Paris, and you probably are since you're watching this video, make sure you check out our 1-day Paris itinerary, all for free. Easy download. Just head to yourguidesabroad.com/Paris to check it out.
So now we're heading upstairs because every level of the bakery does a different specialty. So we did bread downstairs. Now we're heading up to, I think, croissants. We shall see. Whoa, that's some good butter. That shouldn't be hard, will it? Bye-bye. We're going downstairs again. We made a financier. They're like little cakes that they got popular in the financial district because people didn't like having crumbs on them from croissants, pain au chocolat. So it was nice to get to learn the history of these as you're making them. Very cool. And some baking tips.
And then you just have like to roll it. And the first roll has to be very, very tight.
Voila.
Okay. You have to be able to count like 4 stairs. So you have 1 stair, 2 stairs, 3 stairs, and the 4 stairs.
Perfect.
Perfect. Okay?
You proud of yourself? Yeah, yeah.
And then the inner corners, you bring it out just to almost the edge. So this will be the ears of your croissant, okay? And then you just roll it out.
I always wondered. Yay, good job. So, which one doesn't look enough? Oh my goodness, so much. And I'm eating one fresh out of the oven because it's delicious fresh out of the oven.
Yeah, like I haven't tasted it before. It feels like because this is a whole new taste if it's out of the oven compared to it sitting in the store for who knows how many days.
Who knows how many days. All right, do we recommend this tour, Henry?
Yes, we definitely do.
Let's go find Daddy and Edie, see if they had fun on their tour.
Just butter. Delicious butter. Edie, well done. You proud, Edie? Yeah? Exactly. There you go. Oh, put it right in the back. You know what to do. Okay, we are loaded up with bread after the bakery tour. So it's a bakery tour, but let's face it, it's more hands-on. We're baking croissant, or we're making croissants, making bread, baking bread, shaping bread, making desserts. It was really cool. Edie had a great time. I mean, she's only 2.5 years old and she got into it. The other boy who was there got really into it. It's so much fun. The tour did a wonderful job explaining like the history of what we're making, some tips on it, the difference between the two different types of baguettes, which is so important when you're in France. Also, I liked about it is she gave tips on finding a good like bakery, a good place to go, some good tips on that and where to avoid. So excellent. It was a lot of fun. It was 2 hours. It did get hot inside the kitchen where you're baking because it's a hot kitchen during the summer. I bet it gets very hot down there. I really can't think of other drawbacks for this tour. This is a nice, easy tour. It's a great behind the scenes tour of like Paris and how they, in France, and how they make all these amazing things that you're eating all the time. So if you're interested in learning more about this tour, click the link down below. I'm gonna go meet up with Erica and see how her tour went. And we have a lot of bread to eat now, a lot of bread. What did you make, buddy? Oh. Whoa, those look professional.
Well, we made croissants, pain au chocolat, cinnamon roll, and what was the other thing?
Look
I
at
sent a heart for mommy.
Okay, at my place, I learned that to make a croissant is 28 layers of dough and 27 layers of butter. To make it.
Not what we learned. We learned
Really?
it's 12 layers of butter.
Maybe our croissants are better at our bakery. Maybe that's why.
I was
Okay.
in an official croissant making class with a pastry chef.
Were you really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, ours is really cool. We got to make baguettes in any style we wanted, and we got to make croissants, and we made a cake, like a form of cake, like a financière. I'm butchering it. I'm not going to try it, but it's like made for a cake for finance, and it was really good. Would you recommend yours?
Yeah, it was awesome.
Yeah, mine was a lot of fun too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, and I learned that butter in Paris has no calories. So it's totally okay. It's totally okay.
If you want to book one of these, click the link in the description below, and you can find out all the information.
You know, mine is also really good too. It's a really small tour. There's only 5 of us.
Whoa.
Usually it's like 5 to 12 because the bakery is really small.
I think we had 8 people in our room.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Sometimes they can be bigger. Anyways, click down below to learn more. We'll show the prices right now of these tours, see what's best for you, and go have a lot of fun when you're in Paris. Henry sure did.
That's a sugar high.
Yep. Thanks for watching.